This smartwatch designed for both men and women and it packs a lot of features into sleek design. It has a 1.83-inch full touch display, which is bright, responsive, and easy to read. You can customize the watch face with over 100 options throughout the Glory Feed app or even upload your own photos and the background. One of the standout features is the Bluetooth calling. You can make and receive calls directly from your wrist. It also shows notifications from apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and more. So you can stay connected without constantly checking your phone. It supports over 110 sport modes, whether you're walking, running, or training at the gym. It tracks your step, calories, distance, and heart rate in real time. It also monitors blood oxygen levels and sleep quality. It's waterproof. It can handle sweat, rainy, and hand washing. Just avoid hot water or swimming. The battery lasts about 5 to 7 days on a single charge and up to 30 days on standby. It charges magnetically in about 2 hours and works with both iOS and Android device.